Dear students, today we will see probability practice set 5.3. Here we are going to see how to find out the sample space and the sample points, that much only. So in the next exercise subsequently we will see how to find out the probability of any event. So now let us start exercise 5.3. I will read out the sum. Write the sample space S. So what is the first letter of sample space? S. Okay. And the number of sample points. How many members are there in the sample space? That we are going to find out. First question now we will see. Write the sample space. Yes, and the sample points n of S. Okay, for example, one die is rolled. Now one die is rolled. Now tell me, die means what? It will have 6 faces. Okay. So when you roll a die, you will either get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Any one of those number will appear. Okay. Therefore, the sample space S equal to, this is set notation only, it is a set. What are the possibilities? It may come 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6. So sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you tell me how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is called sample points. Therefore, sample point n of S equal to 6. That's all. No more things. Now, event A. Another question. Event A. What is event A? Even number on the upper face. Even number on the upper face. That means what say they? You want only even numbers. So those things you separate and give the name as A. So what are they? 2, 4, 6. So A equal to 2, 4, 6. So this is another set A consisting of even numbers 2, 4 and 6. These three have been taken from the set of sample space S. So how many elements are there or members are there? 1, 2, 3. That is called sample points. So how many sample points are available in this set A? 3. Now another event B. What they say? Odd number on the upper face. Odd number on the upper face. Okay. So now we will write the set B. What are the odd number available on the sample space? 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3, 5. So now sample points. How many members or elements are there in this set? 3. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, number of sample points in the set B equal to 3. That's all. Now, One more question is there. prime number on the upper face. Another event, prime number on the upper face. Now you tell me what is called prime number. Prime number means a number which are divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. So what are the numbers in that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will have 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 5 is a prime number. So 2, 3, 5. So how many elements or members are there in this set? 3. Therefore, sample points of the set equal to 3. That's all. Now similarly, we will see one more example. Suppose 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. 2 dice. You are having 2 dice. Both are having face 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now first of all we will find out the sample space. Okay. See, 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. Now you listen, what do you mean by simultaneously? That means you take both the dice in your hand at a time and throw it. That means at a time. Simultaneously means what? At a time. So what will be the sample space? Therefore, sample space S equal to, what all you will get? You can tell me 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Or you may get 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. You tell me, can be any other possibility of getting any other combination or of these pairs? No, pair bolo to 2. Okay. Can you get anything else if you are rolling 2 dice at a time? No. These are the possibilities. So, sample space we got. Now what we want? Sample points. Sample point means you will have to add how many elements or members are there. Okay. Now how many are there? You add it. So if you want, you can put comma. That is very important. So easy to count it. So naturally, how many are there? 36. So number of sample points equal to 36. Okay. Now event A. Event A. What they say? What type of event is there? A. The sum of the digit on the upper face is multiple of 6. Sum of digits on the upper face is multiple of 6. Now you tell me, what is the meaning of multiple of 6? multiple, that is table, 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and so on. That means multiple of 6 means what? 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. Now, what they say, sum of the digits, you add and that should be the multiple of 6. Okay. Now, you add 1 plus 1, 2. No, it is not multiple of 6. Here you see 1 plus 5, 6. Yes, 6 ones are 6. So, you have got 1, 5. 1, 5. And another one will get, see here you add this to 2, 4. These things will come. Now, you see like that. So, if you add 2 plus 4, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. And now you see again 6 plus 6 is what? 12. 2 6 are 12. 6 1s are 6 2s are 6 3s are 6 4s are. So, this also there. So, these are the elements which are multiple of 6. So, 1 5, 2 4, 3 3, 4 2, 5 1 and 6 6. So, this is a set consisting of the members whose sum is the multiple of 6. So, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, number of sample points in the set A is 6. Followed? Now, another question. Now, what in this they say event B. Sum of digit is minimum 10. Sum of digit is minimum 10. See, in the sample space, you take the face, that pairs, you add it, that should be minimum 10. Minimum means what? Minimum 10 means what? It should be 10 or more. What is the meaning? 10 or more. In the examination, if the passing mark is 35 minimum, that means what? You should minimum take 35 or you can take 36, 37 up to 100. Correct? Minimum 10 means 10 or more. Okay. Now, such set we will find out. Now, if you see those 36, you find out 4, 6 will come first. See 10, 5, 5, 10, 5, 6, 10. Okay, more than 10. 6, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. See, only these are the things if you add that will give you 10 or more. See, 4 plus 6, 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 5 plus 6, 11. Yes, we want more, 10 or more. This is 10, this is 11, this is 12. So, these are the only elements in the sample space satisfying this condition. What is the condition? Sum of digit is minimum 10. Okay. So, how many are there? 6. So, number of sample space in the set B is 6. Now, another one is there, the same digit on both the upper faces, event C, same digit on the upper face. That means what? The number appearing on the first face of the die and the second face of the die should be same. That means what? 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. So, it is very easy. So, you can easily find out. See, same digit. So, 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. So, how many are there? Sample points 6. So this is one type of sum. Okay. Now another example we will see in terms of coins. Okay. Now tell me, suppose if you are tossing a coin, what you will get? You will get either head or tail. If you are tossing one coin, if you are tossing two coins, HH, HT, TH, TT, so you will be getting 4. If you are tossing 3 coins, what will be that? We will see. Okay. So question number 3. 3 coins are tossed. Simultaneously. So sample space, therefore sample space S equal to HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. Now you see how many possibilities are there if you are tossing 3 coins, HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. So now this is the only sample space when you are tossing 3 coins at a time. Now how many sample points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have written number of sample points. No problem. Now what is the first question? Event A. To get at least 2 heads. To get at least 2 heads. At least 2 means what? 2 or more, I told you. At least means what? At least 2 means 2 or more. Okay. 2 heads or more heads. Here see 3 heads. Yes, more. So H, H, H. Here 2 heads. Yes, 2. H, H, T. Here also 2 heads. H, T, H. Here also 2 heads. T, H, H. So how many are there? 4 possibilities are there wherein you are getting 2 heads or more. So number of sample points equal to 4. Followed? Now next one, condition B. Event B. To get no head. That means, see, whatever sample space are available or possibilities are available, you should get no head. No head means what? You should have only tails. So what are the possibilities? See here. So B equal to T, T, T. So how many elements are there? 1. Therefore sample point is 1. Followed? Now third one. To get head on second coin. Event C. To get head on second coin. Okay. Now we will see the possibility. See here, second coin head is there, second coin head is there, second coin head is there, second coin head is there. So how many? 4 are there. H, 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 T, T, H, H, T, H, T. So these are the 4 possibilities where you are having head on the middle. Okay. So how many sample points are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will see some more examples. Okay. Now third one we are going to see. See, 2-digit numbers are formed using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition. Therefore, now you tell me, you are having 6 numbers, you have to form 2-digit numbers, okay, but without repetition, nothing should repeat, okay. Repetition means what? No repeat, what you call repeat. No repetition, you should not repeat the numbers, okay. Now, first how we will do? 1, 0, one number, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Now, this is over. Now 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Over. Now 3, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. Over. Now 4, 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5. Now 5, 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4. Here you see, when you put 5, 5, then the numbers are repeated. That is not allowed. 4, 4 is not allowed. 3, 3 is not allowed. 2, 2 is not allowed. 1, 1 is not allowed. That is what you call without repetition. Now, how many are there? Just you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, sample points equal to 25. So far it is very good. Now what we are going to do? Sum. Condition event A. Event A. Number formed is even. Number formed is even. Even number means what? When you divide by 2, the remainder should be 0. So, A, what is that? 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52, 54. So, this is a separate event wherein the elements are taken from the sample space which are only even numbers, okay, which are only even numbers. How many are there? Just you count. 3, 6, 9, 10, 13. So, number of sample space, sample points in the set A is 13. That's all. Now, another one. Condition, event B, the number is divisible by 3. Number is divisible by 3. So, the number should be of the 3 table. 3. It should be 3. So, B equal to 12, 15, then 21, 24, 30, then 42, 45, 51, 54. These are the only numbers in the sample space which are divisible by 3. See, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 10s are 30, like that. So, how many are there such numbers? You see, 9 are there. So number of sample points in the set is 9. Okay, now third one. The number is greater than 50. Event C. Number is greater than 50. Greater than means 50 is not included. Greater than 50. So what are the numbers greater than 50 available here? These things. So C equal to 51, 52, 53, 54. So how many sample points are there? 4. So this is how we have to do this sum. Now we will see one more. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. What we have taken? We have taken one die and one coin together and tossed. See, one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Simultaneously means what I said, at a time. Okay, now sample space for coin. When you toss a coin, what you will get? Head or tail. Therefore, how many sample points are there? 2. Sample space for die. When you roll a die, what you will get? You will get 6 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, what is the sample space? 6. Now, here this is individual events. You are simply tossing a coin and after that you are rolling a die. Now, together, if coin and die are thrown simultaneously, what will happen? See, this may be, you may get H1 or you may get H2, you may get H3, you may get H4, you may get H6, you may get H6, or you may get T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. See, these are the 12 various possibilities when you throw a coin and a die together. Find out. Now, how many sample points are there? 12. Can there be any other combination other than this? No. Okay. Now, sums we will see. What is event A? Event A. What they say? To get a head and an odd number. To get head and odd number. See, head and odd number. H1, one is an odd number. H3, H5. So, H1, H3, H5. See, first condition is what? It should be head. Yes, head is there. Second condition what? Odd number. 1, 3, 5. So, what is the sample points in this? 3. Now, B. To get head or tail and an even number. See, this is different. To get head or tail and even number. So, see, head भी चलेगा, tail भी चलेगा, लेकिन साथ में क्या होना चाहिए? You should get even number. So, H2 H4, H6, T2, T4, T6. Right or not? What they want? Head or tail chalega, but you should have even number with that. So how many are there? 6 are there sample points. Now event C. Number on the face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Number is greater than 7 and tail. You tell me, can there be any number 7? Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only? So there is no number, it is an empty set. So there cannot be any condition like this, number is greater than 7. So we are having empty set. So how many elements will be there? 0. Okay. Now we will see probability in the next lecture. Okay. If you like it, you can press the button.